Hello friends, are you interested to learn more about electric circuits? Yes, then here I am with another video for all of you. What is this board in front of us? It does look like a bread for me, where we can spread cheese and jam over it and eat it. Yes, this board is called a breadboard, where we can spread a number of electronic components over it. The function of it is we can make different type of temporary electronic circuits with it for learning and testing purpose. Isn't it fun? Where we can learn and test with it? Yes? What are you waiting for? Let's start with the project. The project topic is the same topic which I had done earlier in the first video about basic electric circuit. We have components in front of us. We have LED bulb, switch, jumper wire, two batteries 1.5 volts each, which makes 3 volts, battery holder, and breadboard. You saw all the components are available with us, and we will start with our preparation of the circuit. For the preparation, step 1, I have connected the negative of the battery holder to the breadboard like this. You can have a close look. You see how I have connected to the breadboard. This is step 2. I have connected an LED bulb in the breadboard. I will show you. I have connected this negative leg of the LED with the negative of the wire. This is negative of the LED. This is negative wire. They are in line, one line, and this is the positive part of the LED. Just have a close look. This is step 3. I have inserted batteries in the battery holder. You can see I have connected. Now I'll go to step 4. I'll take the red wire of the battery and I'll connect to the positive of the LED bulb in the breadboard. See how I'll connect. Take this red wire. I'll insert here. See, I've inserted. Look, have a close look. Inserted in the line with the positive of the LED bulb. With this, our circuit is completed. The light is on. Isn't it great? And this is so easy to understand also, that how we are making a circuit with a breadboard. This is looking so good. The light is on. There is no switch in it, isn't it? So let's put a switch in it and see how the circuit functions. See, I inserted the switch in the circuit. Let's see how the connections are made. I used one jumper wire, black small one, connected one point to the switch and another point in the breadboard that is in line with the LED. You can see that is LED is positive in line with the jumper wire, and then another point on the switch, red wire. Red wire is of the battery, and the circuit is completed. Let's see how it functions. Switch on, and the light is on. Wow, this looks cool, isn't it? Switch off. Off, on, off. Wow, our circuit is completed. Isn't it cool? See how we are making different type of circuits with the use of breadboard. This is so fun and easy to understand. So I hope everyone watching this video have understood about basic electric circuit with the use of the breadboard, how it is functioning. And if you understand, just like this video. And inshallah in future I'll post more informative videos about basic electric circuit. One final time, we'll switch on, good, and switch off. Thank you very much for watching.